If you're running an online business, you know how frustrating it is to have potential customers leave your site without making a purchase. That's where Exit-Intent Pop-ups come in. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to create an Exit-Intent Pop-up for Shopify with a coupon code. I'll show you how to set up the pop-up to appear when visitors are about to leave your site and how to offer them a discount code to encourage them to complete their purchase. Let's get started. So go to popupsmart.com. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Then let's continue with new campaign. I will name my campaign as Exit-Intent. Then you can choose a domain and then save it. You'll see the playbook. We have plenty of templates that you can choose from. They are ready to use. On the left hand panel, I will click Shopify to filter my options. Then we have so many options, as you can see. I will see this one. These have the collection element, so I think I will go with it. So if you want, on the customize tab, you can just change the text here, and we have the coupon codes already. You can just choose type as fixed or unique, and then you can add new elements here as well if you want. This pop-up is perfect for my goal because it's already offering a discount, but I just want to add a countdown timer to make the offer more attracting. So I will just limit the time. I don't want to show the days. I will just choose 1 hour, and yes, that's good. So let's continue with style. You can see the theme engine right here. You can just change the theme of your pop-up with a single click. I think I will go with the dark one and click apply theme. So you can arrange the size of your pop-up here. You can arrange its position on the website. From the body style section, you can just change the background. Let's see the Lottie, for example. So as you can see, I made the Lottie animation as the background of my pop-up. So if you're wondering what this element right here is, all you have to do is entering your Shopify collection URL here. So when the visitors just look, they will see your collection products. Okay, let's go back to the style section again. We can customize our Shopify elements if you want to. Similarly, we can just customize our coupon codes. And then we have the countdown style as well. If you want, we can make it circle or just square. Circle looks better for this look. So I will continue with segment now. So you can see the audience targeting here. We have different options, but if you want to see the predefined segmentation options, you can click change segment, and here they are. Of course, you can create one from scratch from my segment section as well. So let's see, recover cart abandonment, this one. So this one already has the Exit-Intent targeting, but if I didn't have it, I would just click add user behavior targeting and then choose Exit-Intent. We have 3 sensitivity adjustments. Let's choose medium, and then I will save it. I can also do other arrangements as well. For example, this pop-up is visible on desktop and mobile devices as well. It is visible for new and returning customers, or if I want, I can add geolocation targeting to show it in specific locations only. And we have other targetings here as well. For example, this one says the visitor will see the pop-up after scrolling 50% of the page, or if they're inactive on the website for 15 seconds. Of course, you can just delete them, or you can add more from right here. So let's continue with publish, save the changes. On the Publish tab, you will see the targeting summary. These are all the adjustments we have just made. You can also activate the Google Analytics integration as well. I'm happy with my pop-up, and I'll show you how it looks on the website. So this is how the pop-up looks on my website. I didn't add the collection URL, but if I did, you could see the products on the pop-up as well. So that's it. You can easily create an Exit-Intent pop-up offering a coupon code with PopupSmart for free. Try this no-code tool and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Bye!